Aircraft Maintenance Program AMP CAMO responsibility. The relevant CAMO is responsible for the correct and complete integration of all ETOPS-related maintenance program tasks in the AMP. Full compliance with CMP document is required, including tasks to maintain the integrity of cargo compartments and pressurization features, for example, cargo liners and door seals. Upon completion or revision of the AMP, it has to be presented to the competent authority for approval. All maintenance program tasks derived from the CMP must be identified in the AMP by the wording CMP and on the task cards by the wording Extension Requirements, Relevant CMP Reference, and CMP. All maintained program tasks related to ETOPS significant systems must be identified in the AMP by the wording Affected by ETOPS and on the task cards by the wording Requirement ETOPS. The effectiveness of the maintenance program should be monitored using an annual review process as described in the CAMO and the reliability programs.